So again, welcome everyone to our second webinar. We're so excited that you guys are here, and we're going to cover a very anticipated and excited topic. Our webinar today is how to create an airline ticket using UniPDF. So we want to give you a quick introduction to UniDoc. We started our commercial operations back in 2016, and we were launched as an AGPL open source software. We launched our first package as UniPDF in UniOffice in 2017. And after that, we have been a top library in PDF and Office in Golang. So I want to go first and introduce myself. My name is Maria Correa. I am the Chief Operations Officer here at UniDoc. And Alip, he is our full stack developer, and he's going to be presenting this webinar with me. So again, as I was saying, we'll launch our first package back in 2017. We have right here our two founders, Gunston Hall and Alfred Hall. They're brothers, and they'll be pretty much, on the back of everything that we are right now. And well, we're so thankful that they have been able to bring this up to here. And yeah. So let's cover really quick the type of products we are offering. As I was saying, we're going to cover how to do the UniPDF ticket creation. So our UniPDF is our library package in Go to manage PDF documentation. And this includes, and it's not limited to, reporting, PDF editing, digital signing, text extractions, and many other things. We also offer UniOffice. So we support any MS Office documents management. This includes, and again, it's not limited to, document conversion, document properties, modifications, filling out forms, creating presentations, and working with Excel sheets and many other things. Next, we have the UniSuite. The UniSuite pretty much is PDF and Office together. And yeah, we're looking at for both of these packages. When you are looking out for both of these packages, what we offer is this UniSuite option. You could have, access to both of this the subscriptions at a very affordable price. So this is another of the products that you guys could consider if you're looking to work with PDF and Office again. Okay, well, let's jump into the exciting part of the webinar, the most important one, showing you how to create an airline ticket using PDF or UniPDF. So obviously, there are many good reasons why we encourage you to use UniPDF to create your tickets. You can also use this to create invoices, any type of medical reports, any text extractions, any document management, document digital signing, and many other things. And the reason why is, it's great to be able to use this product is because we give you the chance to have the highest performance when doing this. You also can get high accuracy on your reports, on your tickets, whatever you're creating. Also, you're going to minimize, the resource consumption because everything's obviously automated. You also will get high availability, to work on other projects. And of course, you get bi-weekly and monthly bug fixes and updates. We are constantly developing our products, so we always give you, all this fixes and updates that will definitely help you out with more other creations or projects you're working on. So what steps are required to create a ticket? Um, Pretty much we're going to cover really quick, how it works, how to create your ticket, and what is involved on the process. But the steps are pretty much, you will gather your data, whether if it's from a database or if you're, using any other type of input. You gather that data and then you go to the sign a template. After that, you go to the next step, which is the data integration. Pretty much you're showing out the collected data on that template to go through the formatting and styling of the document afterwards. After this, you're going to be adding any dynamic content, any type of advertising, any public service messages, etc. Any other thing you would like to add into the content. Then it always goes through testing and quality assurance. The next part will be the batch ticket generation. And the last part is the automation. So now we're going to have Alip. Moving over to you, Alip, so you can show how to do the coding for a ticket creation.
So yeah, thank you, Maria. So so for the first thing is the requirement for to follow our demonstration is we need the Go programming language installed and then Git installed, and then of course it needs the UniDoc offline license. It can be Unicloud EPK also. And the next part is the next part is we will use the UniPDF feature, which is the template feature. The template feature was the XML-based markup language, and it will be processed by our UniPDF. It will use the template instance from the native Golang, and it will translate it to our creator component. It will be available for the content like text, image, geometric shape, and another part is this is intended to create the complex layout to be a lot easier, faster, and will be of course writing a list code, and we can use component much more better, and it is to be reusable in our application. So moving to the next part is basically to create the airplane ticket code. It will be available also in our UniPDF example repository, and you can follow up the link here. It can be basically just clone the UniPDF example. It can be either use the SSH or using the HTTPS mode. After that, you will be see the directory about the template. So inside the template directory, you will see the template directory, a REST directory, which is contain the logo, screenshot, and sometimes it is the static file we store there. And another part is the main template file. It will store the template code. And another part is our main code. It is the PDF underscore airplane underscore ticket.go. That is the main Go file. And we do also have the ticket JSON file, which is hold the data. And it will be used to process the data and replace some argument. in the main template file. So the next step is to run this code. It can be simply just run with the command with go run, and then after that you will see the output result of UniPDF airplanes ticket. It will be shown in image like that's one in this presentation file. So that's it from my side. Thank you.
Perfect. Well, we're gonna be sharing with you that link for the library so you guys can check it out. And we're also gonna be sharing this presentation later on, along with all access or any information you might find in our website. I'll also give you this presentation so you can be able to go to GitHub, just review our library and see what you guys might be interested in implementing. You can follow us as well on LinkedIn and on Twitter. And after this, again, I will share all that information with you all. And now is the time for any questions. If you guys have any questions, anything, any pretty much concern or whatever you guys need, please, you can always raise your hand and I will pass it to you. Guess no one wants to ask anything. That's okay. Well, again, we'll be sharing all of this later on. You guys will receive an email with your PDF information, all the the presentation, and I will also share those links with you and a recording from this webinar. So if you guys are interested in our products, we'll be sharing with y'all the website with prices and everything else, and we'll be glad to answer any of your questions afterwards. You can always reach us out at support@unidoc.io. And thanks so much for joining us for a second webinar. We will be sharing our new webinar soon for next month. We will be doing webinars every month, so you guys are all invited to join our next webinars. And thanks everyone again for joining. You have a great day, and we'll see you all soon. Bye, everyone.